Hi, my name is Chaz Knight, and I am thrilled to be here on Pilatesology with my Stretch Yourself Strong series. The idea behind this series is to find more ease, length, and strength in your practice by exploring the different orders and the different exercises on each piece of apparatus, finding places that you can find less tension. Where can you find more stretch? Where can you find more ease? And how can you really focus on your deepest center and improving your personal practice? As you work through this series, you're going to find the places in your body where you hold tension, where you hold stress, and you're going to be able to release those through breath and stretching to improve your mat practice, your reformer, your one-to-chair, and see how they all layer one on top of the other. This series is for anybody that loves Pilates. If you're more of a beginner practitioner, you are going to find where are the places that I'm holding tension? Where do I need to get stronger? How can I break through my plateaus and get to that next phase of my practice? If you're a more intermediate practitioner, this is going to help you find less tension, less stress, and really find the essence of contrology, which is smooth, calm movement driven from your breath and your focus. I personally love exploring the system in this way. It helps me see that one list of exercises isn't just for one place, that Pilates is really what's happening in my body. And I get to take my frog, my stomach massage, my 100, wherever it is, and improve it, lengthen, strengthen everywhere in the system. I feel less stressed, and I just find more calm and ease in my body and in my practice, and I carry that into my day-to-day life. I'm so excited to share this concept with you, and I cannot wait to hear from you. How did this make you feel? What did you discover? And what did you find about your practice that you didn't know before? I cannot wait to hear from you. Thank you so much.